How to do business risk management.
Business risk management is a crucial strategy for identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks that could potentially impact your business operations negatively. Here's how to go about it. Start by identifying all potential risks that could affect your business. These could range from financial risks, such as cash flow shortages, to operational risks, like supply chain disruptions, or even strategic risks from changes in the market or regulatory environment. Once you've identified these risks, assess their potential impact and the likelihood of them occurring. This will help you prioritize which risks need more immediate attention or stronger safeguards. Develop strategies to manage these risks. This might involve creating contingency plans, enhancing security measures, diversifying your supplier base, or obtaining appropriate insurance. Implement these risk management strategies and integrate them into your regular business operations and decision-making processes. Make sure all employees are aware of their roles in these strategies. Regularly monitor and review the effectiveness of your risk management strategies. This helps ensure that they are up to date and still effective in mitigating risks as your business and the external environment evolve. Effective business risk management minimizes the impact of unexpected events, ensures stable business operations, and can lead to a more resilient organization. This proactive approach not only protects the business, but also gives stakeholders confidence in your management capabilities.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.